10 Best Remedies to Reduce Acne at Home. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties and is used in various home remedies. The active component of turmeric is curcumin, which may help treat many skin conditions. Applying turmeric to skin may help treat acne, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and dull skin. How to use turmeric for acne. There are 2 ways to use turmeric to treat acne. Consume 1/2 inch of washed and peeled turmeric root first thing in the morning every day. You should start seeing results in about 3 weeks. Use a mortar and pestle to mash a 1-inch turmeric root. Add 1 teaspoon of gram or rice flour to it. Add a little water and mix well. Apply the mixture to your skin and wait for 15 minutes before washing with water. Do this on alternate days. 2. Neem. Neem leaves have antioxidant and antibacterial properties. A study confirmed that neem is beneficial for reducing acne. How to use neem for acne. Take 10 to 15 neem leaves from the apex, light green or reddish. Wash them thoroughly. Take 500 milliliters water in a saucepan and toss in the neem leaves. Boil the water until it reduces to half. Store the mix in the refrigerator. Drink it in the morning the next day. Add a teaspoon of organic honey to sweeten it. Do this every day. Or, take 10 to 15 neem leaves from the apex. Wash them thoroughly. Use mortar and pestle to make a paste. Mix a teaspoon of neem paste with 2 teaspoons of Fuller's Earth and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Apply the mixture to your face and wait for 20 minutes before washing. If you feel itchy, add a teaspoon of rice powder to the mixture and apply. Do this on alternate days. 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties. It is very effective against acne vulgaris. A study showed that consuming aloe vera juice helps reduce non-inflamed acne. Another study showed that applying aloe vera and topical retinoids is an effective treatment for mild to moderate acne. How to use aloe vera for acne. Scoop out the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Toss it into the blender. Add 1 cup of water and blend. Pour into a glass, squeeze in some lime juice, and drink it in the morning and evening. Do it every day. Scoop out the aloe vera gel and blend it with a spoon. Mix 1 teaspoon of gram flour and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel in a bowl. Apply it to your skin and wait for 20 minutes before washing it off. Do this on alternate days. 4. Tulsi or Basil. Ayurvedic herbs like basil are an integral part of traditional medicine. This herb has anti-acne properties and may also improve skin texture. Applying 3% basil cream showed a reduction in skin roughness. Another study showed that Thai sweet basil and holy basil oils are effective against Propionibacterium acnes. How to use basil for acne. Take 2 tulsi leaves, wash them properly, and chew them. Do this every day, first thing in the morning. Drink water to wash them down. Add 1 drop of basil oil to 2 teaspoons of Fuller's Earth and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix well and apply it to your face. Wash off after 10 minutes. Do this twice a week. 5. Honey. Honey is widely used in Ayurvedic and natural remedies for treating various skin and health ailments. It has antibacterial properties and inhibit at least 60 different strains of bacteria. 5. Honey. Honey is widely used in Ayurvedic and natural remedies for treating various skin and health ailments. It has antibacterial properties and inhibit at least 60 different strains of bacteria. 6. Sandalwood. Both red and white sandalwood are suitable for pimple treatment. They have antimicrobial, antioxidative, and anti-inflammatory properties. The external application of sandalwood helps heal wounds and reduce inflammation. Sandalwood oil can also help treat various skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. However, do a patch test before using sandalwood oil, as many people are prone to developing an allergic reaction to it. How to use sandalwood for acne. You can purchase red or white sandalwood powder or a small sandalwood and a rubbing stone. Take about 4 teaspoons of sandalwood and apply it to your face. Wash after it dries. Do this every other day to reduce acne and treat acne spots. 7. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help soothe and protect the skin. They are a natural source of salicylic acid that helps clear clogged pores. Studies have also found that consuming fenugreek seeds helps restore hormonal balance and reduces the symptoms of polycystic ovaries. Adult acne is one of the symptoms of PCOS. How to use fenugreek for acne. Soak 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds overnight in 375 milliliters of water. Strain the water and drink it first thing in the morning. Do this every day. Toss the soaked seeds into a blender, add a little water, and blend into a smooth paste. Add 2 to 3 drops of lime juice and mix well. Apply it to your face. Wash off after 20 minutes. Do this on alternate days. 8. Papaya. Papayas are a good source of antioxidants. Papaya seed extract could be a more potent antioxidant than vitamin C, reducing toxin buildup while promoting anti-aging. Benefits can help protect your skin from acne flare-ups and make your skin even-toned and glowing. How to use papaya for acne. Consume half a bowl of papaya as a snack. You may also add it to your smoothie. Do this on alternate days. Mash the papaya and apply it to your skin. Wash off after 20 minutes. You may also soak papaya seeds overnight, blend them in the morning, and apply them to your skin. Wash after 20 minutes. Do this on alternate days. 9. Potato. Potato juice is rich in antioxidants. Applying it to the skin helps soothe inflammation and gradually fade away scars. If you have dark acne scars, applying potato juice can help even out the skin tone and make your skin brighter. How to use potato for acne. Wash and peel a small potato. Grate half of it and press to squeeze out the juice. Apply it immediately to your skin. Wait for 30 minutes before washing. Do this every day. 10. Triphala. This herbal medicine has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It also helps keep your gut healthy and boosts immunity. These properties may make Triphala quite effective in treating acne. How to use Triphala for acne. Mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder with 350 milliliters of water. Steep it overnight. Drink it first thing in the morning. Do this thrice a week.